Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome students. Naveed Mughal is here with a new topic. In this video, I will discuss the accounting based performance measure of divisional performance, that is economic value added. I will explain what economic value added is and how it is used in organizations for divisional performance evaluation. Links of the more videos on economic value added have been given in the description. For better understanding on the concept of economic value added, watch my videos, like it and share with others. For more conceptual videos on strategic management accounting, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notification timely. Let's have a discussion. What is economic value added? Economic value added basically a refined shape of residual income. Residual income में हम लोग एक एब्सोल्यूट अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट निकालते हैं, जिसमें हम लोग अपने प्रॉफिट में से जब कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल को एडजस्ट करते हैं तो वो हमारे पास रेजिडुअल इनकम आ जाता है. सो ड्यूरिंग 1990s रेजिडुअल इनकम को रिफाइन किया गया और उसको जो है वो रीनेम कर दिया गया एज एन इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू एडेड. इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू एडेड मीन adding economic value in the worth of company's profit. Economic value added basically एक वो कैलकुलेशन है या वो मेजर है जो हमें ये बताता है कि how much amount of economic profit has been generated by a segment, by a division. Basically, this is a refined shape of residual income, which tells us that how much economic profit has been earned by the department, by the segment, or by the manager of that segment. हम लोग economic value added calculate करते हुए conventional profit जो हम लोगों ने अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स और अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स के मुताबिक निकाला होता है, उसमें हम लोग सर्टेन अकाउंटिंग एडजस्टमेंट्स करते हैं और उन एडजस्टमेंट्स को करने के बाद हम एडजस्टेड प्रॉफिट निकालते हैं. एंड आफ्टर एडजस्टेड प्रॉफिट वी सबट्रैक्ट द कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर डिविजनल एसेट्स. Cost of capital mean if we have implied those assets in certain other businesses or other divisions of the businesses, what profit can be earned by that investment. If we have invested that assets into another business or another company, we might have earned a certain amount of profit or percentage of profit. That certain percentage of profit which we forego for the investment of those assets in this division, that would be the cost of capital of this division. This cost of capital is also called weighted average cost of capital, which is called WACC, जो कि आप लोगों ने फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट में पढ़ा होगा और सीखा भी होगा. We use conventional divisional profits for the measurement of divisional or managerial performance. In every performance measure, we use conventional divisional profit as our divisional performance measure. But here we use economic profit as our divisional performance measure. Conventional divisional profit is the profit which is based on certain accounting principles and which income statement shows. जो हमारी income statement में profit लिखा होता है वही हमारा conventional profit हो सकता है. And the profit which is earned by the division, by the segment, by the department, that profit will be called as divisional profit, and that profit is calculated on the basis of certain accounting principles or accounting standards, and that profit is used for calculating of economic profit of the divisions. Adjustments intended to convert historical accounting profit to an approximation of economic profit. Basically, हम certain adjustments करते हैं अपने historic accounting profit के अंदर ताकि हम लोग economic profit की figure के ऊपर आ सके. So the adjusted profit is basically the economic profit of the company. What economically the segment has added towards the company's worth or profits, उसको हम लोग इकोनॉमिक प्रॉफिट कहेंगे। एंड इकोनॉमिक प्रॉफिट इज बेसिकली द एडजस्टेड प्रॉफिट ऑफ विच इज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ हिस्टोरिक अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स। सो वी use historic accounting profit and we make certain accounting adjustments in historic accounting profit, and on the basis of these adjustments we calculate economic profit. Adjustments typically includes capitalization of discretionary expenses.